Hi all. Today's topic is the speed of light is not constant everywhere in the universe. That is today's topic. First, let me read some statements from Britannica and Wikipedia Encyclopedia about light. The speed of light in a vacuum is a fundamental physical constant. In the special and general theory of relativity, C interrelates space and time and also appears in the famous equation mass energy equivalence E equals mc squared. This invariance of the speed of light was postulated by Einstein in 1905 after being motivated by Maxwell's theory of electromagnetism and the lack of evidence for the luminiferous ether. The speed of light in a vacuum, commonly denoted c, is a universal physical constant that is important in many areas of physics. These are the statements that we see on Britannica and Wikipedia websites about light. But my studies indicates that the speed of light is not constant throughout the universe. Instead, it varies from place to place. See the image on the screen. This image, taken by the James Webb Space Telescope, was released by NASA on July 12th. Here you will find many gravity lenses. Each lens is an ether bubble. When light passes through these bubbles, the speed of light changes and refraction occurs. I explained this about this gravitational lensing in my previous videos. I request you please watch that videos also, so you will get an understanding about what I am talking about. What is the new explanation of gravitational lensing. Please watch that videos also. In the previous video, we saw that mass defect produces the ether and that the ether is attracted by gravity. In fact, all active stars in the universe, neutron star collisions, black hole collisions, etc., create mass defects and release large amount of ether into space. Because of this, every massive body maintains a dense ether region around it. We know that the speed of light changes as it passes through regions of different optical densities. Therefore, when light passes through near massive bodies, the speed of light will change and it refracts and bends. This explains how phenomena such as starlight bending and gravitational lensings work. If a ray of light travels from one edge of a galaxy to the other, it will pass through regions of different optical densities and the light speed will change many times. This change in the speed of light depends on the ether density of a region. As the mass of a body increases, so does the density of ether near the body and vice versa. Near a black hole, the density of ether is so high that light stops completely, and that's why a black hole looks black. So this is the message I want to convey today. Anyway, my study says that the speed of light is not uniform everywhere in the universe. It depends on the local ether density. Where there is a ether density is more, light travel in a low speed. This explains the starlight bending and the gravitational lensing. The recently released the James Webb that picture that you can see in the screen on the screen that I took from the James Webb website. I'll reduce my image so that you can see clearly that James Webb image. See, these all are gravitational lenses. So many gravitational lenses you can see here. You see this one wonderful gravitational lens. The one big star. That star is much nearer to Earth, us. The background galaxies are very far from our planet. You can see so many gravitational lenses there. My studies indicates that these are ether bubbles. Each gravitational lens is an ether bubble. Where if you find a lens, there will be a huge mass body sitting there. So it's a very wonderful thing to see that. We have to, in my opinion, we need to change our perspective about the universe. Our current understanding of the universe, in fact, not accurate. In fact, it is far from the truth. So I am very thankful to you all. You are watching my viewer. I am very thankful to my viewers. Every day I'll come with new topics. I am publishing a book soon, and you can buy online. I plan to publish in Amazon Kindle. So I hope I will be able to release it soon. I'm working very hard for that. In fact, I wanted to tell you something that many people think that about my stand on Einstein. In fact, in reality, I have a huge respect on Einstein. His tremendous work, theoretical physics, and his great ideas, intuitions, and his predictions. He is the person who first he was the person who predicted about starlight bending, gravitational lensing, gravitational time dilation, and many phenomena. He was the first person to predict all this. In fact, I appreciate his contributions. I have only disagreements with his explanations. I am not against Einstein because many people think that I am tarnishing Einstein or damaging his name, good name. That is not the case. That's not correct. That is absolutely not correct. I am a great fan of Einstein. I am a great Einstein was a great inspiration for me. He was one of my childhood heroes also. So I have a great respect for Einstein. I respect Einstein. The only thing is his explanation. I have disagreements with his explanation. That is the only thing. He was a great genius. Anyway, thank you very much for joining me in this live session. I will come back with a new topic. I usually come 6 o'clock, 6 a.m., 6 p.m. IST. I am from India. So whenever possible, please I request you to join this session. If you want, if you have any questions, you can ask me. I have a Facebook page also. I have given yes. Thank you, Shari. Thank you, Shari. Thank you very much. I have a huge respect on Einstein. He was a great man, great scientist, great human being. He was a great inspiration for everybody. I have only disagreements with his explanations, not his predictions or his discoveries. So I am doing my level best to, with my ability. I am doing my. I am very humble to before. I am very humble before those big giant figures in science: Isaac Newton, Einstein, Michael Faraday, James Clerk Maxwell. I remember all them. I respect all them. I'm not against anybody because I am telling again, because some people they are commenting like that. I am insulting them. I am challenging. No, it's not like that. I have a great respect for them. Anyway, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Siri. Thank you. So I have a explanation for gravitational lensing, gravitational redshift, the precession of perihelion of Mercury's orbit, S2 stars orbital anomaly, and many other phenomena, time dilation due to speed. All this we can find better explanation with either, because when Einstein developed his relativistic ideas, he ignored the existence of either. In fact, I think that he was misguided with the result of the Michelson-Morley experiment. In fact, there are other ways to detect either. In the coming videos, I'll discuss about the experiments. We can, in fact, there are so many ways, so many evidences for either. I have a better explanation for what is dark matter, dark energy, or such things we will discuss in our coming videos. I am very thankful to everybody for joining me. If you have any questions, you can ask me. So I'm going to wind up this session. Thank you very much. As I said, I am an independent researcher. You can support me. I'll accept your support. Thank you very much. I'm going to wind up this session. Thank you. Thank you, Sari.